Welcome to this toolbox talk on trash chute. Trash chute is a large tube that is used to move trash to a central collection point. In this toolbox talk, we will discuss about the necessary instructions that needs to be followed and the safety measures that should be taken while using the trash chute. Trash chutes, also called disposal chutes, are commonly used on high-rise projects. They are also used by remodelers and roofers to keep their job sites cleaner and safer. Whenever materials are dropped more than 20 feet to any point lying outside of the exterior of the walls, a trash chute shall be used. A few common workplace injuries resulting from trash chutes include falling through openings from unprotected sides or edges, and accidents caused by falling debris. Proper installation of trash chutes is crucial in ensuring the safety of a worker's own site. Now we will discuss about the various instructions that needs to be followed while using the trash chute. No material shall be dropped to any point lying outside the exterior walls of the structure unless the area is effectively protected. Whenever materials are to be dropped in an unprotected area, an enclosed chute will be used. The chute should be fully enclosed on all sides. Never allow someone using a chute to be subjected to materials falling from the above. Be sure that the chute door can be securely latched in a closed position. Be sure all debris is collected into a suitable container, that is, trash barrels, back of a dump truck. Never allow debris to fall into an unguarded or unsecured area. Keep a fire extinguisher near the trash accumulation area. Never put solvent, oil, flammable liquids, or materials soaked with any flammable liquids into a trash chute. In order to ensure safety at workplace, let's discuss some of the major points that should be considered while installing and using the trash chute. Check all the chain assemblies on the trash chute pieces. Make sure all chain links are not bent or stretched. Verify that the safety latches are present and working on all the chain hook assemblies. The trash chute should be installed in straight line or with a very slight smooth curve. Sharp bends and angles create a higher load stress and increase the chance for the chute to become jammed. Verify that the connection area of the chute is sufficient to carry the load which will be imposed on the chute. Never allow debris to accumulate in the chute. This stress both the connections on the chute as well as the connection point between the chute and building. Before clearing the debris under the chute discharge area, ensure that the chute opening has been barricaded and marked as "Do Not Use." With this, we end this toolbox talk on trash chute. Thanks for your valuable time. Have a safe day.